Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your POCO F7. So first, what you guys want to do is clean the microphone port with a non-metallic tool. It's very important to use a non-metallic tool because when you use something that has metal in it or something's just sharp, then you can only damage the board and it won't even be cleaned. So you're just gonna lose the microphone that way, so make sure to use a non-metallic tool. And after that, what you guys can do is, let me unlock the phone. We can go over to the app. Let me just find it. There should be an app for a voice recorder right here. And here, let's click continue. Let's click skip, click accept. And here, we need to give the permissions. So I'll give it. And as you guys can see, the microphone is working. So let me be quiet for a while and see if it goes. Yeah, it goes quiet, definitely. So now we know the microphone is working. And then if it's still not working, then what you guys can do is try to update your software to fix any mic glitches, because a older version for your software can actually cause those mic bugs and we don't want them. So let's go over to the settings and then go to about phone. So here we click on HyperOS and it will check automatically if you have the latest version available. So as you guys can see, let me just leave and check again. I have no updates available, so that's great. But if you do have the latest version and there are still some glitches, then it's either a hardware issue and you should get it checked out by a professional, or it's probably the software. So you guys need to actually wait for an update. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.